Special user roles can be assigned to any volunteer, judge, or teacher. Unlike regular roles, a user can hold multiple special roles which must be assigned by staff or admin user. Once these roles are assigned to users, they will be granted special access to specific areas on zFairs relevant to their roles. For instance, assigning an interpreter role will enable the person to access video conferencing features, allowing them to assist as needed. If you want to learn more about special user roles and what kind of roles you can have, navigate to the information icon and search for special user roles. Tags are a valuable tool for quickly identifying user requirements and special needs. They can signify anything that admin may want to know about users. You have the flexibility to tag individual users or apply tags to multiple users at once through bulk tagging. To efficiently find a group of people, use the search bar at the top of the People page instead of scrolling through a long list of users. You can type in the group you're looking for or scroll down for options. Additionally, you can search by the name of a specific user. You can easily view a student's project and paperwork in one convenient location by selecting the student's name on the People page and clicking View Project and Dashboard. You can view archived records from previous years by navigating to the Staff tab. Scroll down to the bottom and select the desired year's information. You can then navigate through the data. To archive your event, navigate to the information icon and search Archive. Instead of selecting each form icon, you can select one form, then select Change File to view the next form. To send email reminders to participants who still need to turn in their forms, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click the Send Reminder button.